So really quick, I just want to show everybody, if you're installing Davinci Resolve in Linux and I'm using Fedora 41, I just want to show you that when you first install it, you might experience a scaling issue where everything is just extremely tiny. So if we open Davinci Resolve, the only thing you need to do to fix the scaling issue that we're having is you just need to go into the settings, and there's a thing that will actually scale it for us. And you'll see here, see how this is really tiny? We're going to open this up and you can't even read this. It's crazy. So we're going to click on Davinci Resolve, and then we're going to go to Preferences. And then in the Preferences, we're going to click here on this User button. And then from there, we're going to go all the way to the bottom where it says UI Display Scale. Now right now it's on 100%. I'm going to change mine to 200% and then select Save, but you can go ahead and pick 150 if you would prefer that. And then when you do that, all you need to do is close out of Davinci Resolve and then reopen it. And voila, you'll see that our banner is much bigger and everything will be normal. So if we open a project, now we can read everything, everything looks good, and that's all you need to do. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.